Trying to grow sunflower plants from seeds bought online. I had sown sunflower seeds in 2 pots. 2 seedlings came up but disappeared soon. Next, I tried germinating sunflower seeds in moist tissue paper. One of the seeds germinated after a few days and a couple of cotyledons and roots were seen. Then I planted them in a garden pot and observed. These 2 tiny leaves appeared inside the cotyledons. This video clip was taken after a few days. The tiny leaves have grown up and 2 more tiny leaves have appeared. Not sure whether this plant will grow well, though I am hoping to see it grow up. Shall post updates if this plant grows up well. This is the follow-up video of my sunflower plant growing up. The cotyledons have dropped down. 3 pairs of leaves have fully opened up, each pair being perpendicularly arranged to the next one. 4th pair of leaves are just appearing as small leaves at the top. Shall post updates when this plant develops. I have planted a few more seeds in another pot to see if they germinate. Today morning I found that my small sunflower plant, which is hardly 1 month old, has developed a tiny flower bud. It has grown just about 6 inches in height and has only 4 pairs of leaves. I had bought seeds of both dwarf and tall variety of sunflower. This was the only plant which developed. I was not sure whether it was of the dwarf or tall variety. Now I presume that it is of the dwarf variety. Shall post updates when this tiny flower bud progresses. Here is the sunflower bud growing further. Leaves look fresh with plenty of raindrops on them. Let me hope that this flower bud will grow much more and bloom soon. I am posting serial updates as this is the first and only sunflower plant in this garden. Several other seeds planted in multiple attempts did not germinate at all. Sunflower plant and bud are growing up. When the tiny bud appeared, this plant was hardly 6 inches tall. Now it has grown up to more than 1 foot in height. The bud has also become larger, but not yet the size of a usual sunflower. So probably it has to grow much more before it can bloom. I never knew that it would take so long for a sunflower bud to grow up to its full extent. I should have thought so considering the very small size of the plant and the bud when the bud appeared. In this close-up view, you can see the tiny hairs on the plant stem, leaves and flower bud as well. Let us see how long we have to wait for this flower to bloom. Finally, the first sunflower bud in my garden is ready to bloom. It has partly opened, showing the tiny yellow petals inside. As expected, the flower is turned towards the morning sun. Let me see if it opens up fully by noon and turns as the sun moves across the sky. My only sunflower in full bloom facing the sun. This is a small plant with very few leaves. It is quite heartening to see it dancing in the light breeze, seeing a nice sunflower after a long time. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates and click on the bell icon for all updates. Thank you.